Hey guys, today I'm going to make a lentil sambusa. We call it sambusa, samosa. The first thing I will do is boil the lentil first with a little salt. I will not overcook the lentil, and the ingredients are the things you see. Now we will go through it, and the very first thing I will do is saute my shallot onion with a little oil. We don't need to put a lot of oil in it, and before the shallot is cooked, I will put chopped red bell pepper. This is from the can, but you can use it straight. But I like this one because the color is so beautiful. Now I'll put the cooked lentil in it, mix it. It doesn't, as I said, it doesn't take that much time to prepare the sambusa filling. So now I will mix them together. Right now, what I'm putting is black pepper. Black pepper is so good for our health, so I put enough black pepper and salt. Yeah, I put a little salt when I cook the lentils, so we don't need too much salt. We don't want a salty sambusa. Now the last thing I will put is chopped green onion. Now the color and everything is beautiful. It's pretty much done. One more thing I will put is oregano powder. Once this is mixed, I will set it aside and let it cool down for a few minutes. Now what I will do is mixing flour with water. 1/3 cup of flour with a little water, and I will mix it well. Once it's mixed, I can add a little salt, not too much. Now I'm using this like an adhesive. Now I will start rolling my sambusa, whatever you call it, samosa, sambusa. People call it, in Ethiopia we call it sambusa. In India they call it samosa. So whatever you call it. Once I fold it like this, I'll use the flour in the water mix, so there will be no hole in it when we fry it, so it will not be open. That's it. Then the other way to fold sambusa is just a square samosa sheet, and I will put it like this, and this sounds like a little bit bigger if you want to make a bigger sambusa. And we will fold it, just simply folding it. Then we'll go around it to give it a triangle shape. Now we'll stick it, and it looks like a beautiful sambusa fold. Now we'll go ahead and fry it. So the oil heat should not be very hot because we don't want it to burn. Now when it's done, it looks like this. It's ready to eat. It looks really delicious and it tastes delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, for more videos like this, subscribe and touch the first bell button and share this video. Thank you so much. See you on my next video.